This is a 1995 Honda Accord, 4-cylinder automatic, and it has a vibration problem when you put it in gear, and then when the air conditioning kicks on, it vibrates even more. And this is at idle, at a stoplight, or just sitting with the brake on, that it occurs. So vibrating condition at idle, in drive, gets worse with the air conditioning. And the suspect causing this problem is, when I'm pointing, I believe it's the air idle control valve, and it just has 2 bolts holding it on. I'm going to take it off, clean it out with carburetor cleaner, and put it back on. You can feel the tube. This is it right here. The top bolt's easy to see. There's one more you can feel just behind it. I just turned the car up, so it's a little hot. Have to be careful. So just loosen these with the combination, 12mm combination wrench, and then I can unscrew them once they're finger tight by hand. Take notice of where the bolts are located. Each one's a different length. That's the bottom bolt. Here's the top bolt, slightly shorter. If you mix them up, it's easy to tell which one's which because you can push them through the air idle control valve and look how much is sticking out the other side. It should be equal. This is it. There's a rubber O-ring I'm going to remove before I start spraying it with carburetor cleaner, just to protect the O-ring. Carburetor cleaner is a strong solvent. And so now I'm just going to spray this inside, let it soak for a few minutes, and put it all back together. Push the camera back, please. I don't want to get carburetor cleaner in the camera, please. Okay, additionally, I'm going to just make sure that neither one of these holes is obstructed with a carbon buildup by poking a bent paper clip in there. Seems okay. No carbon coming out. Long bolt on the bottom. It's a little bit of an awkward work area. Hot, but manageable. I finger tightened the bolts, and I'm just snugging them up with a 12mm wrench. Not real tight, just ever so slightly past finger tight. There's an O-ring, it seals easily with the small amount of pressure. That's it. Now we'll start it up and see how it sounds. I'm gonna start it up and see how it sounds. Put it in gear, brake on.
Seems okay. Turn on the air conditioning. Seems better. Not perfect, but it's definitely improved.